I don't know where your robot is. You have a robot on your shirt. Yes, you do. And you have the movie robots.
Oh.
What are you guys doing?
What are you guys doing? I'm going down on that. It's your baby Theo.
Next to baby Theo?
I'm going to sleep.
You're going to sleep next to him? What are you saying?
I got dump. Baby Theo. Mom, you got your baby Theo.
What?
Mom, you got
No, Henrik.
I got dump.
Remember, this is baby Theo's toy.
I got bring him.
No, you don't get to pick it up and carry it. You can lay calmly and quietly next to him. I know your brother is cray-cray right now.
I'm sleeping.
You guys are sleeping? Oh, look, he's looking at you. Oh, no, he's not.
I got me.
You're going to dump yourself. That'll be tricky.
I can't go up there.
You're upside down. Look at you. You're upside down with your feet in the air and your head on the ground. That's pretty silly.
I'm trying to get up and trying up.
You can get up. You know how. What is it? What's so funny down there? Oh, it's so funny down